Welcome to the transformative world of meditation, a practice rooted in ancient traditions yet vital in today's fast-paced lifestyle. Meditation is not just about silence but about developing a deeper understanding and connection with your inner self. Engaging in this practice can significantly enhance both mental and physical health, reducing stress, improving concentration, and promoting emotional well-being. For beginners, integrating meditation into daily routines can be the first step towards achieving balance and clarity in life. Join us as we explore simple, effective strategies to kickstart your meditation journey, setting the foundation for a more mindful and serene existence. Creating the perfect meditation space is crucial for cultivating the right atmosphere to foster relaxation and focus. To begin, choose a quiet corner of your home that feels serene and secluded. Comfortable seating is essential, be it a traditional meditation cushion or a simple chair that supports your posture. Enhance the ambience of your meditation area with elements that tranquilize the senses. Soft instrumental music or natural sounds can envelop the room in calmness, while gentle candlelight adds a soothing glow. These thoughtful touches not only beautify the space but are instrumental in transcending everyday distractions and deepening your meditation practice. Embarking on your meditation journey starts with mastering basic techniques that lay the foundation for a mindful practice. Stephan introduces 3 essential methods: focusing on breath, which anchors the mind and promotes calmness; mindful awareness, where attention is gently kept on the present moment without judgment; and body scanning, a practice of slowly moving attention through various parts of the body to identify and release tension. Each technique serves as a tool to enhance mental clarity and emotional stability, making meditation accessible and beneficial, especially for beginners seeking to improve their overall well-being. Beginners in meditation often encounter challenges like distraction, restlessness, and skepticism, which can hinder progress. Stephan shares actionable strategies to overcome these hurdles. For distraction, he suggests focusing techniques and timed sessions to gradually increase concentration. To combat restlessness, incorporating movement like walking meditation can be effective. Addressing skepticism involves understanding and experiencing the personal benefits of meditation over time. By acknowledging and actively addressing these common challenges, beginners can evolve their practice and harness the profound benefits of meditation. In an engaging Q&A session, Stephan addresses common queries from beginners, providing insightful advice tailored to their experiences. He highlights the importance of consistency in meditation, suggesting starting with short, daily sessions and gradually building up duration. Stephan urges patience, emphasizing that benefits like increased calm and improved focus will develop over time. His personal anecdotes serve as motivational testimonials to the power of persistent practice. Through this supportive dialogue, Stephan aims to empower beginners with the confidence to continue their meditation journey, ensuring they feel guided and encouraged every step of the way.